back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack up your giveaways, and I'm also going to be announcing who won the giveaway. I'm a little late, but I'm still here. I still brought it. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I pack up the giveaway, what's inside of this giveaway, and who won. So this giveaway actually included a polygel nail kit. This is from Sexy Cosmetics. It has like a lamp in it, the polygels, and a whole bunch of other things. If you would like to purchase one, I will have the link in the description so you can go check it out. But I just decided to do this because it was, I don't know, I like to do something different each time. So like last time I gave away the Macart polygel one, so this time I just got kind of a larger one. So next time I might do acrylic, or you just never know what I might do. So once I filled it, I decided to add a couple more items. I gave some foils, a cuticle pusher, a nail tip cutter, a gem picker, along with some Swarovski stones, and I also included 2 cuticle pins. These are both coconut oil with pineapple scent, just to add a couple more things to it. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the main focal point and find out who won this thing. So I just used like a random comment picker from Google, and I just put in the URL, and I, take out all the duplicate users, but everything else stays in. So let's go ahead and click start and see who won. So Louisa Rodriguez, you won, girl. I will be contacting you to let you know. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed new year, and I'll be back very soon.